Hey everyone, welcome to week 16. Well, 16. This is the last week of our semester. So we're getting down to it. And this is a very light week for new work for you, but it is a really important week for you to be looking back and deciding exactly what grade you want. So let's get into it. Your only new assignment is for you to complete your the dead altar. And this is not something ceramics that you're going to fire, of course, but you're going to complete it, photograph it, and post it by Wednesday at midnight. And then you have until Friday at midnight to respond to fellow students' altars. That is the only new creative work, and it's your last creative assignment for the semester. The other thing that you need to do this week is look back over everything, and if you have any assignments that you want to make up, you know, I've been pretty open to receiving and giving credit for late work. And so the deadline for that, again, is this for you. I hope that you had fun learning about other cultures, learning about their artwork, learning about their aesthetics, but also then making things yourself. And that's the whole point, is to try to loop all those things in together for a meaningful humanities / fine arts experience, which is the point of GE. Students like yourself and what you just experienced. If you thought this was beneficial, please do me a favor and go on social media and say so. I'm grandpa, right? And you know, I don't know how to use social media all that well, and I don't all that much. But many of you do. That would be greatly appreciated. Hey, this is the last broadcast, and it has been a great pleasure. And it's been a pleasure and an honor to watch you complete some of the really amazing projects that you've completed, and the quality of work that most all of you have risen to. And I hope that I have a chance to, maybe this week, many of you will be back in. I look forward to seeing your faces as you see your finished projects, that kind of thing. But those of you that have not been able to make it in, hey, you know, that's the way this class is. But I hope that sometime in the future we'll be able to say hello, put a name to a face if I haven't been able to meet you in person. And I hope to see you in the studio at some other time and in a little bit more normal circumstances. Okay, with that said, best to you all, and really hit this last week hard, and if you need to, call me or be in contact with me so that you are getting the grade that you have as a goal. With that, best to you, and we'll see you later. Bye-bye.